Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learning Electronics. In this video, we are going to study steady state error and we are also going to derive the expression for steady state error. So before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get more updated videos from here. So let us start the video. What is steady state error? When the actual output of any system deviates from the desirable output. This desirable output is also called as reference input. So whenever the actual output of any system deviates from the desirable output or reference input, then system is said to possess steady state error. Okay, then only the steady state error will be generated when the actual output deviates from the desirable output. So in simple way we can define it as the difference between the desired output and the actual output. So steady state error is equal to the difference between the desired output and the actual output. It is the index of accuracy, means the steady state error indicates the accuracy of the system, means how accurate the system is. This is also indicated by the steady state error. In the closed loop system, the magnitude of the steady state error depends on the open loop transfer function GSHS, and it also depends on the reference inputs type and magnitude. That means the steady state error also depends on the type and magnitude of the reference input, and it also depends on the system type. Okay. Next one is causes of steady state error. First one is nature of input signal. I have already discussed about the type of input signal in the previous classes. They are step, ramp, parabolic and impulse signals. So because of the nature of these input signals also steady state error is caused. Second one is type of system. In the previous classes I have discussed about the type of system. They are type 0, type 1, type 2, type 3, etc. So because of the type of system also steady state error is caused. Third one is non-linearity is present in the system. They are dead zone, saturation, friction, backlash and relay. So as we are studying the transfer function approach and it is only applicable to the linear systems, so the effect of non-linearities are not discussed here. Okay. Now we are going to derive the equation for the steady state error. For this we consider a negative feedback control system where GS is the forward path transfer function, HS is the feedback path transfer function, RS is the input excitation, here ES is the actuating signal, CS is the output response. Okay. So in the last classes I have already told you the transfer function for this negative feedback control system CS by RS is equal to GS upon 1 plus GSHS. Okay. So from this equation if we find output response CS will be equal to GS into RS divided by 1 plus GSHS. Okay. We are only multiplying this RS to this GS. So we are getting this equation number 1. Now from this diagram, this ES which is actuating signal or error signal will be equal to RS minus this feedback signal. So for this block of feedback path transfer function HS, the input will be CS. So the output will be CS into HS. Okay. So error signal ES will be equal to RS minus CS HS. Now we put this equation of CS in this equation of ES. So we get this type of equation: ES is equal to RS minus GS RS HS whole divided by 1 plus GS HS. Now we take common RS from this equation. So we get ES is equal to RS whole multiplied by 1 minus GS HS divided by 1 plus GS into HS. So this is the equation we are getting. So from this equation we get ES upon RS is equal to 1 minus GSHS whole divided by 1 plus GSHS. Okay. When we take LCM of this equation, we get 1 plus GSHS minus GS into HS whole divided by 1 plus GS into HS. Okay, so this GSHS and this GSHS get cancel out and we get ES upon RS is equal to 1 upon 1 plus GSHS. Okay. Now, from this equation, when we multiply this RS to the numerator of this equation, we get ES is equal to RS upon 1 plus GSHS. So, this is the equation of the actuating signal we are getting. Now, by final value theorem, the steady state error which is represented by ESS will be equal to limit S tends to 0 S into ES. Okay, so this ES is the error signal and this equation is in the frequency domain. So when we write this equation in the time domain, we get ES is equal to limit t tends to infinity ET, where ET is the Laplace transform of this error signal ES. Okay. So ESS, which is the steady state error, is equal to limit S tends to 0 S into ES. Now we put this equation of error signal ES in this equation of steady state error ESS. So we get ESS is equal to limit S tends to 0 S into RS whole divided by 1 plus GSHS. So this is the equation of the steady state error in the frequency domain. Okay, this is in the time domain. Now let us see the steady state error for non-unity feedback system as well as for unity feedback system. Okay, so for non-unity feedback system we have already studied that the error signal, this is the error signal ES will be equal to RS minus CS into HS. Okay, so the ES we got which is equal to RS upon 1 plus GSHS. Now for unity feedback control system, since here HS is equal to 1. So what will be the ES? Error signal will be equal to, this CS is directly applied to the summing point. So this is CS here. The feedback signal in the unity feedback system will be CS. So ES will be equal to RS minus CS in the unity feedback control system. So when we put HS is equal to 1 in this equation, we get ES is equal to RS upon 1 plus GS. Now we can find out the steady state error for non-unity feedback system. Then we get ES is equal to limit S tends to 0 S into RS upon 1 plus GSHS. Okay. For unity feedback system, the steady state error ESS will be equal to limit S tends to 0 S into this equation of ES. So we get limit S tends to 0 S into RS upon 1 plus GS for unity feedback system. Okay. So in this way we can find out the steady state error for non-unity feedback system as well as for unity feedback system. Okay. So hope you have understood the topic. Thank you very much for watching and please do subscribe my channel for more updates.